Hi, Joel Pate here, president of ScoreInc.com, and I am so glad to present to you and tell you all about the Credit Repair Summit that begins on October the 1st at 11 o'clock Central Standard Time, goes to about 2 to 2:30, depending on all the questions that's asked, and the speakers go over their time slots. And again on October the 2nd, same time, and then on October the 7th, 8th, and 9th, which is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of the following week, and every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for the remainder of October. Over 20 speakers, over 30 topics. You don't want to miss it. If you want to rock your business and you're in the credit repair business right now and take it absolutely to the next level, you just got to be at the summit, man. It's just going to be wild. It's going to be all the questions you want to ask, social event, even though it's online. We've got a very social atmosphere for it that continues, that not only during the event but afterwards. You just don't want to miss it. You want to tell your friends about it, and you can become an affiliate as well by signing up. I'll give you the link now, but you could find it later. It's creditrepairsummit.com/affiliate program. Okay, creditrepairsummit.com/affiliate program. Become an affiliate. We'll pay you a 30% commission. Also, make sure to get your tickets before August the 18th, because the price goes up. So don't wait and pay more. We got multiple payment plans as well. So look, we're going to make it easy for you to attend the summit, and of course we've got great information afterwards for you to be able to hook into it. If you miss one of the events, you just can't make it, I get that. So you'll be available to be able to review it after the session for about 30 days, depending on the level that you sign in at. So we're just incredibly excited to make this event for you. People have been asking us for about 3 years now to have a great event that doesn't have a lot of sales pitches and presentations and even shrouded sales pitches, right? It is information, information, information. And of course the speakers, you're going to want to hear from them after the event, and they've got products and offerings for you. And if you want to buy them, and if you don't, opt out. You know, it's just that simple. So it's easy, and it's very affordable. It's the price starts at $499, and of course goes up as time draws near the event. So you want to buy your ticket right away. I won't belabor the point of all the speakers. You can go to the creditrepairsummit.com website and check that out. But they range from compliance to marketing to sales to the dispute process. I mean, we've just covered everything in the event. One of the things that we've covered, and it is absolutely crucial for the credit repair industry, and that is your merchant account facility to take credit and debit cards. Without that, you can have all the customers in the world, but no way to really get the money that's easy and simple and effective, and thus your business is going to really suffer. We've got one of the leading providers of merchant account facilities for the credit repair industry on the call today. I want you to introduce Russ Link. Russ, tell us about your company.
Thanks, Joel. We've been involved in the credit repair space for several years now, and I've known you for 4 or 5 of those years. And you know, we really not only work to provide payment solutions to the industry, we also work as really being an advocate and a supporter of the industry as a whole. And that's one of the reasons why I was so excited to be a part of the summit. And we're really interested in providing a lot of helpful and useful information in the time that you've given us. So
well, that's great, Russ, and we're really going to look forward to it. Now, your company is Capital Merchant Services, and how long have you been providing merchant facilities to the credit repair industry?
We've been involved in the space for probably over 5 years now. We've worked with both smaller startup credit repair businesses and some of the larger entities that you're probably familiar with. So we've really been able to come to understand the unique set of needs that the credit repair industry has, and some of the challenges that they face when it comes to establishing payment services and maintaining those services for the long term. So our goal from very early on was to provide a solution that would allow you know, the credit repair agents and credit repair organizations to have a rock-solid payment infrastructure that could really be the backbone of their business. As you mentioned, you know, without the ability to facilitate payment, without the ability to collect the funds, It really doesn't matter how well you market yourself or how great of a salesperson you are. You can do everything else right in your business, and I know you guys provide a lot of information to help people do that. But if you get this piece wrong, you jeopardize everything, and that's why it's so vital. That's why it's so crucial to make sure that you're approaching this with the right information.
Well, you got to approach it with the right information and the right vendor, and then of course, you gotta do what's right. If somebody wants their money back, you can't let it go to a chargeback. You got to manage all those accounts. I know we've had many businesses over the years that we just had an acceleration of growth. We offered a new program, and instead of an average ticket of whatever you put on the application, it was going to be twice that. So you better contact the merchant account facility. Don't surprise them. That's what always been my motto doing banking for over 25 years now, is you never surprise your banker. And in every sense of the word, you're a banker for the credit repair industry.
Yes, that's essentially what we do. We move the money, we handle those finances, and you're exactly right. And that's part of what we're going to touch on in our presentation is how to keep those lines of communication open so that there aren't issues on either side. You touch on a great point in terms of the ability to not only process initially, but also to have the right infrastructure in place so that it can scale with your business. So I want you to imagine for a minute if you're in the credit repair space, and even if you're just starting out or you've been in the business for a long time, and you start to see that the type of growth and the type of increase in revenue and sales that often comes along with building your business and putting the right processes in place. So everything would seem like it's going great, but imagine for a minute you have all of the income, you have all of the sales, and overnight you're unable to process those transactions, or overnight your cash flow comes to an absolute halt. And those aren't just stories that I'm putting out there, as a scare tactic. Those come from real-world experiences that some, unfortunately, credit repair businesses have faced when it comes to their merchant services. And so that's part of why we want to. I think it's so important to get the right information out there is to keep that from happening.
There's no doubt about that, and I think this is an extremely timely conversation. I'm just absolutely excited to have Russ and his company represented at the Credit Repair Summit. Be there. Go ahead and register as soon as possible so you can get the lowest cost possible, and become an affiliate. Share this with all your buddies, and let them come to the event too. We're looking for an overwhelming response. Here's the deal, okay? We're in business to make money. You're in business to make money. Money makes the world go around, okay? However, I'm so glad to be in an industry that is absolutely helping people. According to the FTC's own 2013 report that came out and was highly publicized in a Senate committee, I forget the name of the committee, of Senator Claire McCaskill. They absolutely got the industry, the credit reporting industry, to accept and agree that there are over 10 million consumers with bona fide errors on their credit report. The industry, the consumer needs the support of the credit repair industry, and we're here to support that and do it in the way that is we're proud of it. We're proud of what we do. And we are very glad to invite you to the Credit Repair Summit. You will be glad you came. Russ, thanks a lot for joining us today. And I wish everyone a wonderful day and rest of the week. And be sure to go to the creditrepairsummit.com and go ahead and sign up today. Thanks a lot. We'll see you again soon.